welcome back to MarymayChannel. I'm Mary, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and join the M&M fam and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And if you already subscribed, well, welcome back. So today I'm in my kitchen. Okay, so basically guys, I'm starving as usual, okay, and it's like 10:30 p.m. like in the evening, guys, like, okay, anyways, I'm starving and I fancy, like, you know, a French toast. So I was like, well, I should film it, you know. It's something easy, you know, you don't need much, you know, and all you need is just your bread, eggs. Is the basic, you know, just bread and eggs, and of course you can add sugar, a little bit of salt, milk, butter, and that will be you. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my French toast. So let's get started. So guys, because it's only me, I'm going to use just 2 eggs, but you can use 1 or as many as you want. I'm going to use 2. So for French toast, you can do it sweet or salty, it's up to you. So I will put some butter in it. I'm going to use this. And of course, guys, your bread. So I'm going to start with just 3 slices of bread. Guys, you can add anything you want, some apples, any fruit, you know, but honestly I'm not going to put it on right now because I'm not going to eat it.